Stop wasting tokens starting from scratch. Rocket just dropped 25,000 free templates, and I'm going to turn one into a live SaaS product right now in this video. All right, so we're starting here on Rocket's template page. And the first thing you'll notice is just the sheer number of designs available. Rocket has over 25,000 free templates that you can use right away. So instead of starting from a blank page, you're basically starting 90% of the way there. I'm going to jump into the technology category here, just to show you some examples. And as I scroll through, you can see these, aren't basic layouts. These actually look like fully built high-end websites. You got SaaS designs, you've got landing pages, you've got product pages, all ready to go. So this alone saves a huge amount of time, especially if you don't want to design everything from scratch. Now let's take this a step further. I'm going to pick a SaaS style template here, and I'll open it up and click Customize Free Template. And just to be clear, I'm choosing this template because I want to build a working SaaS style page. Now we're inside the editor. Instead of manually editing everything, right, I can go in to use the built-in AI. So I'll open the chat here. I'll paste in a prompt describing what I want. I'm asking it to modify the hero section and also build out a secure dashboard behind the login. So I'm going to run that. And now you can see it actually starts generating the structure for me. So this isn't just design, it's helping build functionality as well. I can also make quick visual tweaks. For example, I'll just change the main brand color here to better match the style I want. And that's it. Everything is updated instantly. You can see here the green has been replaced with blue. So for me, that's more of what I'm after in terms of brand identity. Now, this is where things get really powerful. Instead of digging through settings or hiring a developer, you can use commands to build and configure everything. So I'll click into the command bar here, and I'll start by adding a testimonial section. So I click here, add element. So I've put add element, add testimonial card under what our customers say in review section. So I will run that. And just like that, it drops right onto our page. Next, I'll set up authentication. So this command will add login, Sigma, and forgot password functionality. So I click here, add Supabase authentication. I can even add social logins like Google and G-Hub with a single command. Now, once the build is done, you can also prepare it for production. So I'll run a few more commands to improve. Now, once the build is done, you can also prepare it for production. So I'll run a few more commands to improve SEO, optimize for geo and AEO, and implement privacy compliance. And all of this is happening without touching any code. So you do /improve SEO, improve GEO and AEO, improve accessibility. So we're just going to click improve SEO. Now this is where everything comes together, because building something is one thing, but a real product needs to connect to the tools you actually use. So if I open up the integrations panel, which is connectors, you can see there are over 29 native integrations already built in. And these aren't just basic add-ons. These are tools you'd normally have to set up separately. Things for managing data, capturing leads, and running forms. So instead of stitching everything together manually, it's all available right here inside one system. Now, I'll connect a couple of these live. First, Airtable. So what I do is I go over here and just click connect, open link. So all you do is just click that, and then you can go ahead and grant access. Okay, so now we have connected Airtable, and this is typically used as a backend database. So This is where your app can store and manage data. And now I'll do the same with Typeform. This is used for capturing leads, for surveys, or user input. So if someone fills out a form on your site, that data can instantly feed into your system. Okay, amazing. So now everything is connected. So at this point, we've got a working product, with integrations already set up. Now I'll go ahead and launch it. So I just go ahead and click the launch button. I'll click update. Okay, so we now have the updated URL. So I'll go ahead, click copy, and I'll put this in a new tab. And this deploys the project live. So this isn't just a preview. This is now a real shareable product. And I'll open up the and on top of that, there's also built-in analytics. So if I open the Analytics Center, you can track how users are interacting with your product. Things like traffic, engagement, and activity. So from one place, you can build, connect, launch, and track everything without needing multiple tools or complicated setup. You didn't start from a blank screen. You didn't need to hire a developer, and you didn't have to manually wire up the backend. Everything is handled for you from the start. And the best part is, you fully own the downloadable code. There's no platform lock-in. So you have complete control over your project and how you scale it. If you're serious about launching SaaS this year, speed matters. Start with a professionally designed template and let AI handle the heavy lifting. Check the link in the description to try it for yourself. And let me know in the comments what app you want to build.